Guys, we're in Bigfoot's whip right now. We're on our way to the function. It's gonna be
Looks like Bigfoot got the loot, boys.
Lil pre-game action before the function. Feeling good, boys? Just pulled up a few minutes ago. How many ladies you asking out tonight, Bigfoot?
100!
Boys, I think Bigfoot needs his car keys. Someone get this man his car keys. I think Bigfoot is done for the night.
Yeah. Look who's sobered up.
Boys, I think this is where we end the vlog for tonight.